Beyond the bedroom door, understanding women's perspectives on sex and intimacy is vital for healthy relationships. This lack of understanding can lead to misunderstandings, frustration, and a disconnect between partners. By listening to and respecting their experiences, desires, and concerns, we can cultivate healthier, more fulfilling relationships. From their unique sexual preferences to their perspectives on sensitive issues like erectile dysfunction and sexual health, we will explore the diverse tapestry of female experiences. It's important to remember that every woman is an individual with her own set of desires, boundaries, and experiences. By embracing vulnerability and fostering an environment of mutual respect, we can create a space where women feel empowered to express their needs and desires. Navigating the landscape of sexual preferences and the importance of open communication in relationships is essential. One of the most fundamental aspects of understanding women's perspectives on sex and intimacy is recognizing the diversity of their sexual preferences. Just like men, women have their own unique desires, turn-ons, and boundaries. Open and honest communication is paramount when it comes to navigating sexual preferences within a relationship. It can be intimidating to discuss our desires openly, especially when societal norms and expectations often leave little room for vulnerability. Start by creating a safe and non-judgmental environment where both partners feel comfortable expressing their needs and desires. This can involve setting aside dedicated time for these conversations, using I statements to express feelings and preferences, and actively listening to and validating each other's perspectives. By approaching these conversations with empathy, curiosity, and a willingness to learn, couples can foster a deeper understanding of each other's sexual landscapes and improve their sexual health. Bridging the gap, communication as the cornerstone of sexual satisfaction cannot be overstated. While sexual preferences lay the groundwork for intimacy, effective communication serves as the bridge that connects desire to satisfaction. Many women find that open and honest communication is crucial for achieving sexual fulfillment. This involves feeling comfortable expressing their needs, desires, and boundaries, both inside and outside the bedroom. It's important to remember that communication about sex isn't just about what happens during intimacy. It's about fostering a dynamic of open dialogue and understanding in all aspects of the relationship. For many women, feeling heard and understood by their partners is intrinsically linked to sexual satisfaction. When a woman feels safe to express her needs without fear of judgment or rejection, it creates a deeper sense of intimacy and connection. By prioritizing open and honest communication, couples can create a more fulfilling and connected sexual experience for both partners. Unveiling intimacy, a glimpse into women's experiences. To truly understand women's perspectives on intimacy and sexual health, it's essential to move beyond generalizations and delve into the individual experiences that shape their desires and perceptions. Personal stories offer a powerful window into the diverse ways in which women experience pleasure, navigate challenges, and cultivate intimacy within their relationships. For me, intimacy is about feeling seen and understood, shares Sarah, a 32-year-old writer. It's about feeling safe to be vulnerable with my partner, both emotionally and physically. When I feel that connection, sex becomes so much more than just a physical act. It's a way of expressing love, desire, and deep intimacy. For others, like 28-year-old artist Maria, communication is paramount. These personal accounts highlight the importance of recognizing the individuality of female experiences in intimacy and sexual health. Beyond the surface, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, and female perspectives. Conversations about sexual health often focus on physical aspects, but it's crucial to acknowledge the emotional and psychological dimensions as well. Issues like erectile dysfunction, ED, and premature ejaculation, PE, can significantly impact both partners. Many women feel a sense of responsibility or inadequacy when their partner experiences ED or PE, even though these issues are often rooted in physical or psychological factors beyond their control. When my partner was struggling with ED, I felt so helpless, shares 40-year-old teacher Jessica. Open communication is crucial for navigating these challenges as a couple. It's important to remember that seeking professional help for erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation is a sign of strength, not weakness. By approaching ED and PE with empathy, understanding, and a commitment to finding solutions together, couples can maintain intimacy and strengthen their bond. Embracing exploration. A journey of sexual discovery. Just as individuals evolve over time, so too do their sexual desires and preferences. Sexual health and intimacy are crucial aspects of a thriving relationship. Embracing sexual exploration and open communication throughout a relationship is essential for maintaining a fulfilling and exciting sex life. My partner and I have been together for 5 years and we're always trying new things to keep things interesting, says 26-year-old entrepreneur Chloe. The key to sexual discovery is to approach exploration with a spirit of curiosity, playfulness, and mutual respect. Check in with each other regularly to ensure both partners feel comfortable and excited about the direction of your sexual journey. By embracing sexual exploration and maintaining a sense of adventure in the bedroom, couples can keep the spark alive and deepen their connection. Cultivating connection. Fostering intimacy and understanding in relationships. Ultimately, understanding women's perspectives on sex and intimacy is about more than just what happens in the bedroom. It's about cultivating deeper emotional connections and fostering greater understanding in all aspects of a relationship. By prioritizing open communication, embracing vulnerability, and approaching challenges as a team, couples can create a foundation of mutual respect, trust, and intimacy. It's about continuously learning, growing, and evolving together, both individually and as a couple. The journey begins with understanding and honoring the diverse perspectives and experiences of women, recognizing that their voices and desires are essential for creating truly meaningful and intimate connections.